there's Charlotte right out of the gates, running right. You can see they got a six-wheel rocker suspension. That suspension had no trouble getting through the obstacle area. Okay, they have a center line spinning bucket drum as their digger. UI Chicago's robots attempting automation, I believe. UNC Charlotte appears to have dug some regolith. Now they're heading back. They may have a substantial amount. We're about to see how much they got. We're a minute 20 into this competition, this 10-minute competition. UNC Charlotte has to get their digger into the correct position in order to dump. Otherwise, they'll dump it on the ground and it will not count. It has to go into the hopper. Okay, UI Chicago. Their robot appears to be digging. Okay, here's a view of Charlotte about to dump. Meanwhile, Chicago appears to be digging. Chicago is definitely digging. How much, though? We don't know yet. Yeah, there goes Charlotte. That was a big pile of regolith right there. Just took a few seconds to get everything lined up properly for the dump. This robot for Charlotte has an interior drum and an exterior drum. When they're lined up properly, the regolith can come out. Okay, here comes UI Chicago. Coming back to the hopper. And it looks like there is regolith inside there. We're about to find out how much, though. UNC Charlotte had more than 7 kilograms on that first dump. It says 7.5 right now. This is unofficial for Charlotte. Chicago, looks like the robot is still trying to line up perfectly with the hopper before it dumps. Okay, the dumper is coming up. We're about to see for Chicago how much they're going to get. There you can see it sliding out of their bin. That's looking good. That's looking good to me. UNC Charlotte, it has crept up to almost 12 kilograms. It takes time. It takes time for it all to fall down onto the scale and to come through our computer system. Meanwhile, Chicago has almost 6 kilograms on the scale right now. This is a close-up of Charlotte lining up everything. See the arrow on the side of that interior drum. Let's watch that arrow turn down, and there it dumps it out. Very nice, UNC Charlotte. we can see UI Chicago's robot. Oh, Charlotte. The sixth wheel. Rocker suspension. It's doing okay. Chicago has 6 wheels too. Each wheel appears to be independently suspended. It's helping them get through this obstacle area. Charlotte is digging deep. I just saw the front of the rover come up off the ground a little bit as they dig. Meanwhile, UI Chicago on the video, not having any trouble digging. There's Charlotte's robot. This is the view that the team in the control room can see for Charlotte. This is the view that the team in the control room can see for UI Chicago. UI Chicago has some automation. Chicago team, do you believe your robot is fully automated? No, manual? Here comes Charlotte. Right now, Charlotte's scale is reading over 26 kilograms. They're about to dump their third dump into the hopper. Here it comes. And here comes UIC. Right now, UIC has about 6 kilograms in the hopper. They need 10 in order to qualify. I think this will do it. That looks like a nice amount right there. Slowly but surely, that regolith is coming out. Meanwhile, UNC Charlotte is digging again. They have 2 minutes left. Both of these teams have 2 minutes left in their final attempt at the 6th annual NASA Robotic Mining Competition. UNC Charlotte, you can see all their tracks going back and forth. They're not scared of that obstacle area. They're trying out every square inch of that obstacle area. Whoa, Charlotte! How many wheels are on the ground right now? Just 3? 4? How many wheels can drive? All 6 of them? Okay, they're changing their center of gravity. Meanwhile, UI Chicago is over there digging. 1 minute left. Teams have 1 minute. UNC Charlotte bringing their bucket drum system up in the air. Is that going to change their center of gravity enough to bring that front end down, or did they have some sort of mechanical failure? They look very precarious right now. Here comes Chicago, UIC. They have 30 seconds. Right now, UIC has over 17 kilograms in the hopper. UNC Charlotte has over 43 kilograms in the hopper. Both respectable runs. And we have 5 seconds left. 2, 1, stop your robot. That was a great run for UNC Charlotte and UI Chicago. Let's give them both a hand.